Today I'm at Bowditch Point Beach in Fort Myers, Florida. I am practicing my drone today. Hopefully it all goes well. This is only about the third time that I have practiced my drone. It's a little bit windy here, but I think it'll be all right. My plan is to go over the trees and show a view of the beach and then make a quick turn and show the condos. So hopefully it goes all well, and wish me luck. Alright, so I'm just finished up here. I definitely had an experience with flying my drone. It's about 60 degrees and the winds are 11 miles per hour, and my little DJI Neo doesn't work very well in it. Yeah, and I lost my gimbal cover, so that's fun. I'm gonna have to order another one, but whatever. You win some, you lose some, I guess.